Good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to all our participants. We are thrilled to have you here for this Skill Veda workshop. At Skill Veda, our mission is to empower your growth through accessible, high quality learning experiences, from short term courses to hands on training sessions. Skill Veda is your partner in skill development, offering a wide range of webinars, offline workshop, short-term courses and training programs designed to help you unlock your potential and achieve your career goals. Today's webinar explores top AI tools designed for educators and learn practical ways to integrate AI in your classrooms. We are fortunate to be joined by Ms. Kamalpreet Kaur, a Google certified expert education consultant with more than 17 years of experience in the field of education. Ms. Kaur has transformed the academic journeys of many educators and students. We look forward to the wealth of knowledge and practical wisdom she will be sharing with us today. Welcome, Ms. Kaur.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. I hope because our topic is use of AI in the classroom, so I hope you people are ready with all your system because it needs to work side by side, and it would be better if you do it side by side, right? So I'm going to share my screen. So I hope it's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah, yeah.
it is.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
So today is this AI tools in the classroom, right? And you people, please keep your system ready. So, let me know how many of you are comfortable with your AI tools or with the computer with teaching one. So, please write it in the chat. Okay, okay, right. So, somewhat from not at all comfortable to somewhat. Okay, so Purvi ma'am, what you can do, you will have the recording or you can take the screenshots to see what's going on, right? So
Sure, ma'am.
let
I will try it and let you know.
yeah, be comfortable, right? So now actually what is AI? First thing we need to know, like we will not go into the very deep that what is AI and what is a machine learning and everything. We will be on the layer, right? And this will be like, why is it popular? Now you can see these three images. This is the an auto driver, right? In the first picture, it is written that it is from Bengaluru. Fine. So we can say that he may or may not be aware of the English language. Fine. So just a second. Fine. So what do you see that he um uh foreigner comes, he says, okay, I want to go there, right? So but okay, he little bit understands that okay, this is the place, right? Place these drivers will be able to understand. Maybe he is not able to understand the whole thing. Fine. So in all these three, first thing he's from Bengaluru, but second and third you can see that there is a Google map, right? And this is the UPI code, this is the QR code. Now in the first we can see the Google map, right? So Google map, we all have digital maps on our phones. So he will say okay, so this is the route I am here, I need to go there. You everybody uses this Google map, right? So where is the road closure, where is the fastest route, in what time you will reach, this is the time that will be able to reach there, how much time it will be taking. Then comes UPI. Fine. Everybody is right. We normally interchange their amounts or the money using this UPI. And the main thing, AI detects the any if there is any fraud thing, right? So You scan the code, you pay the money, it reaches to the destination. So money will not go here and there. So fraud detection is there, right, in AI. Then in third, signals or sometimes the this road signs are in English. So what we do, we'll open our Google Lens. Right now, everybody is also using Google Lens, right? So you open it, Google Lens, and exactly minute a second, it will just tell you what it is means, and even it shows the path also. So in all the scenarios, we are using AI. So basically, AI is the GPT. It's GPT, not our chat GPT. It's a GPT, it's a general purpose technology. For example, we switch on these switches and we have the light in our rooms. Fine. Internal thing, we are not aware. In a second, the current flows, what are the protons, neutrons, conductors, everything. But we just know we switch on and we are with the light. So similarly, as an educators, teachers, we put our prompt in the chat GPT and the result is out. So we do not need to know about the coding in AI. We educators just need to know ki what we want, we are putting the things, and whether we get or not, according to our teaching, according to our lesson plan, according to our assessment and everything. Then this is basically, now we do the generative AI. Fine. AI, what AI means, the traditional, okay, हमने cat की picture डाली, so we'll get the picture of cat. Simple cat, right? In the house or on the tree or in the garden, or if anybody has a pet, then here and there in the room. But what generative AI means, that we want, as you see in the picture, second picture, that we have the cat with the wings and riding a cycle. So this is a generative AI, from the simple cat to the cat with the wings. That gives the imagination. What is the imagination? So basically, so AI is from the recognition things to creating things. So this is our generative AI. If anybody thinks that I am going fast, then please let me know. I hope everything is clear. Now, this is the main purpose, that
Yes,
is a
ma'am.
teaching. Thank you so much. So, teaching with AI. Now, teaching with AI, we have the task, as I first mentioned, about the learning materials, lesson plans, questionnaire, rubrics, assessment, translating things, right? Then we also need the student feedback also. And we definitely want with the learning outcomes, because this is a very important thing. Somebody tell me the difference between the learning objectives and the learning outcomes. Is it the same or the different? Riti ma'am, can you please explain how?
Excuse me, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, yes, Anita ma'am, you said something?
Yes, मैम. गुड इवनिंग मैम.
Hi.
मैम, जैसे कि आपने कहा कि ऑब्जेक्टिव और आउटकम के लिए तो हम दोनों कभी कभी तो सेम हो जाते हैं, लेकिन कभी
Hmm.
कभी अलग होता है, क्योंकि हमने ऑब्जेक्टिव कुछ और लेकिन जब हम बच्चों को कुछ सिखाते हैं तो आउटकम हमें कुछ और मिलता है.
So,
तो कभी कभी अलग होता है.
so isn't it that learning objectives are dependent on the outcomes, or the outcomes are dependent on the learning objectives? Which things are?
Outcome is dependent on objective, I think.
Yes. So,
Yes.
what I suggest, yes, outcomes are dependent on the objectives. So, I think we need to write our objectives depending on the outcomes. if today I go to my class, right, and I say, okay, I want my children, now since my background is maths, right? So if I say, okay, I want my children to understand the concept of only the concept of fraction, right? So we will only begin with the lesson ki, okay, I want learning outcome to be that children should understand the concept. Then I will start with the objectives. That should be my objective, to make them understand the concept. So when we go to the class, my suggestion every day whenever we go to the class, we should be uh, right. We should be know to what are our learning outcomes, right? And on that we go to, okay, today is this my learning outcome, so I'll take my learning objective this. Fine. Now moving to this, just a sec. Yeah, now we will start with the, so basically outline is done that AI is our um, artificial intelligence, and we are now going to use these tools in action when we will do one by one, right, with all these tools, and you kindly practice it side by side. Now, first thing, I have taken the Chat GPT. Why Chat GPT? Because every second or third person is using Chat GPT, right? So, Chat GPT, it helps in the generation of new ideas, writing mails, what not it does. I mean, ultimate. It can solve the problems, but if anybody has the maths background, kindly do not use GPT because it gives the wrong result, right? Because I personally have used it. Then it summarizes the
Ma'am,
paragraphs. Hanji,
please repeat.
I'm saying if you have the mathematical background, you're a maths teacher, then kindly do not use ChatGPT.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
एक्सक्यूज
because
मी
it
मैम.
gives, yes.
यस मैम, मैंने भी यूज किया था, लेकिन मैम कभी कभी ये गलत आंसर देता है. मैं इस
हाँ
पे पूरी तरह डिपेंड नहीं हूँ. मेरे पास एक फोटो भी है इसका. मैंने एक एविडेंस रखा है कि देखो ये ऐसे गलत आंसर भी देता है.
हाँ, तो not only chat gpt but all these chat gpt, Claude, what this called, Gemini,
जेमिनी,
or
जेमिनाई,
huh,
जेमिनाई.
I mean, maths is only that subject that you can only rely on yourself only. That's it. So, but as a whole, this chat GPT is awesome. Now, this is the chat GPT, right? If you know, you can open it, you can scan QR code, or you can click on this chatgpt.com, right? This is its logo. So if I click on it, I hope those who are on the system, either they have scanned or they have typed. So should I move further?
Please confirm everyone.
Because then only I'll proceed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Have you
thank you.
scanned this code, QR code, or have you noted down the website?
यस मैम.
Yeah,
Okay, right.
yeah,
Thank you.
Konpit ji, we can go
Ji,
ahead.
ji, thank you. So I am going to this chat GPT. I think the let me share the screen, please. Okay. So I hope you can see this screen with this chat GPT. Now, if I write, I want my lesson plan on which subject do you want? Anyone? देखिए जल्दी बोलिए, otherwise I'll start with my maths only.
मैम, ग्रामर का ले सकते हैं, नाउन.
Noun. Okay, I'm just writing nouns. I want a lesson plan, not my lesson plan. So I want a lesson plan on nouns. Fine. So let's see what it says. It's coming. So this is for the grade 2nd and 4th. So do you want this lesson plan for classes 2 to 4? So with the teaching aids, introduction, explanation of 10 minutes, identify the noun, It gives the group activity, optional extension, evaluation, recap, homework. So Hanji. So is it fine with your lesson plan?
Any other topic you want to
बहुत
suggest?
बहुत
Anyone?
बढ़िया
नहीं,
मैम।
not a topic,
मैम
but हाँ,
मैम इसमें हम
हेलो
हमारे सब्जेक्ट का कोई सा भी ले सकते हैं, मिल जाएगा।
आप हाँ मिल जाएगा, but I want, is this prompt is okay? I want a lesson plan on nouns,
ओके
right? But I think that this is not the appropriate one. Fine. Why? Somebody tell me why?
हाँ मैम, जैसे जब ये बनाएंगे हम भी तो थोड़ा इसको चेक करेंगे ना कि कहाँ
नहीं
कुछ
नहीं,
हेलो
यदि
it's
मैम
हम
fine.
अपना।
नहीं 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 नहीं,
अनीता जी,
I
कमलप्रीत जी प्रॉम्प्ट की बात कर रही है, प्रॉम्प्ट
मैं
सही
सिर्फ
दिया है।
ओके ओके
प्रॉम्प्ट की बात कर रही
ओके
हूँ।
मैम।
प्रॉम्प्ट कि जो हमने ये लिखा, आई वॉन्ट अ लेसन प्लान ऑन नाउन्स,
और द क्लास वी हैव टू मेंशन, कमलप्रीत जी, क्लास एंड
दैट इज व्हाट आई वांट टू आस्क एक्चुअली। मेरा कर्सर ना
हेलो
खो
मैम
गया। जस्ट अ मिनट।
या टेक योर टाइम, टेक योर टाइम।
ओके, तो आई वांट टू नो दैट दिस लेसन प्लान आई वांट टू मेक, राइट? माय पॉइंट इज, ये जो हमने प्रॉम्प्ट दिया है क्या वो सही है? इफ आई से आई वांट अ लेसन प्लान for which grade students? Nouns are in class, I think, from 4 to 8 also.
यस यस।
ग्रेड 1
Grade 1. Okay, you want it for grade 1. Grade 1, right. And CBSE or any state?
स्टेट बोर्ड
Okay, which state?
एनसीईआरटी
Okay, NCRT to I think CBSE says, no?
या सीबीएसई, या
Grade
स्टेट
1
सीबीएसई।
बोर्ड
is,
गुजरात स्टेट बोर्ड
yes. Okay, grade 1 CBSE, Gujarati students or Gujarati board, right? So here I'm very much specific that I want a lesson plan for class 1 students and that are from CBSE, and I want in Gujarati's language.
नो मैम फॉर गुजरात बोर्ड
Okay, I'm so sorry. English can be, how can it be in Gujarati? Okay. So, and what else do you want it? I want group activity,
यस मैम
right? And else, any particular thing that you are following? Okay, let me include art integration.
Diti ji is writing video link also.
Fine. Art integration also. I'll take this much only. Chalo.
चलो चलो।
Then let us see what is the change here, what we have done before. See, the topic has been come in Gujarati also. Fine. Teaching aids has come because we want some activity also. Because you need to write a lesson plan, right? Gujarati support is given, though I do not know the Gujarati, but still, right? Definition come. Art integration come. कि okay, students will draw one animal or thing and color it. Fine. Then group activity come. Noun sorting game. Then we will evaluate and recap. And this is the homework. So our prompt is very important. It should be very specific. Fine. Now coming back to just a second, ma'am. Mine cursor. You're not able to see the PPT, right?
No, we can see it. It's there.
PPT has come.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
नो
Oh, thank
मैम
you. No, no,
नॉट
no.
It is there. I can see it.
Okay, let me
यस
share
मैम,
again.
आई ऑल्सो कैन सी।
Chalo, okay, koi nahi, I reshared it. Okay, now this is a chat GPT, right? Now then comes very important is our prompt. Prompt say parts, PARTS. part is persona. I am from Hindi department. I am from English department. I am from social science. I am a geography teacher. So what you are, it is not asking your name. Fine. It is not asking from which place you are. It is not asking from not asking right, you are a male or a female. It is not asking anything. It just what subject you take. That's it. Then aim, right? What do you want? You want a lesson plan, just you want an assessment, you want some brainstorm idea, you want a quiz. What do you want? So it will give you what you want. Or sometimes in the lesson plan you will have 5 C's, 6 C's, or 5 E's. There's many things. Or the art integration activity, subject enrichment activity, like different people, different schools, different lesson plans. Then recipients, these students are from, just I wrote in the prompt, these students are from class 6, class 10th, 11th, 12th, graduation 1, or prep. It all depends on the recipients. Then describe the style, tone. Do you want it very formal tone? You want a very casual, right? For example, you are writing a mail also. You want to write a mail. So if you want to write a mail, so your objective will be, I want to write a mail to your HOD, to the principal, to the colleague, or to a parent. It is very important to write the recipients. Then tone, again, I want it in a very formal tone. I want it very in casual tone. I want it in a soft tone. है ना? And then note the desired format. You want quiz, you want it in bullet points, or like whatever. So these are the main parts when you are writing the prompt. And the links given here, right? These are the prompt library. This will tell you what type of prompt do you want. I hope everybody is able to see the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And I have written the same in the chat also. So if you want administrative, any want to write anything to the administration, it is with you. So I'll click on the administration. It will directly go to the administration. Here it comes. What do you want? You want to evaluate AISS tools. You want to have coaching conversation. You want to have master schedule generator. It is very helpful. Fine. So these are the different, like you say, everything is under one roof. What you want. Fine. Fine. Then coming back. Just okay. So I hope you are able to see this PPT. Fine. Okay. Second is again the same prompt, but I think for the beginning, this first one is the perfect one. Now, let us see how these prompts are written. One says simple, just I have started with, give me some lesson ideas for the 9th grade bio. Bio is a huge subject, right? Then in second prompt says it is about the DNA. थोड़ा और छोटा हुआ, फिर ये और छोटा हुआ. Now this is for the class 9th grade. Introducing the students for the DNA structure and function. Here the introduction comes. Then suggest 3 lesson ideas, one for the lab, one is inquiry, one is collaborative. Because nowadays this collaboration, this experiential, right, art integration, subject enrichment, labs, and this is very much in all these lesson plans. So from the very simple, specific to the best thing, covering all the parts, persona, Fine. What is your aim? What are the recipients? What is the theme? What do you want? So everything is inside. And it is not important to write it in the same manner. You can write it in any way. Your recipients come first. You can write your persona later, but everything should be included. Now, this is the just one. See, I am a maths educator. Write the lesson plan based on the CBSE grade 10 students on the chapter probability. Can I have on the chat, please, that from which field you are in, like from which subject, so that when I can try, I can go with it. Wow, maths. So everyone is from maths only.
No, ma'am.
Because I see the first two entries from maths only.
No, there
Okay,
are a
geography.
variety of subjects are there.
I understand, because first two come na, to I will,
Yeah, I
wow.
know.
Okay, Hindi, right. So I am ready with Hindi also, because the things comes difficult when it comes in Hindi.
Mhm.
Okay. Now this Gemini. Basically, Gemini is same as the ChatGPT, but I find it little much better, right? Now, if you please scan this code, then you will directly reach to the Gemini. But before that, this. So those, please scan. You will see the story book. Just go through and let me tell you then how to have this story. Those from Hindi, actually, I have taken from the class 10th. And let me know how you find it. I am waiting. Are you able to open it?
Please confirm everyone. Yes, Pallavi ji is writing yes. Riti ji also saying yes.
So, how do you find it? It will not go according to as per the given. No. Suraj ma'am, have you scanned first or second?
I'm using my mobile phone, so
Hmm.
cannot see it.
No, you can open it. You can use your camera or QR code.
Okay, once. Let me try it.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. Then what you can do, once you make a story, and then um, you can show it in the class, or you can put it in the Google Classroom, or you can share it in WhatsApp group if you have any official group. So I'm going back slides to the Gemini. So I'm going to the Gemini. Fine. If you are not able to open Gemini, kindly go to the Google, and in Google, just write down Gemini, and you will directly reach to Gemini. And there is no need to pay for it. It is totally free, right? Just like the Chat GPT. And then you sign in with your Google, any Google ID, be it official, be it from the school. You will get this page, and it's written will be hi, whatever so name, and where should we start. So create a story. Which chapter do you want on? You need to tell me, because otherwise. Okay, Hindi open, thank you. Tell me the story. Germination. Okay, so germination. Acha, This is for which class students? For class? Senior KG, say I first class? Sorry, senior class. So you want to introduce the thing, right? I want the introduction on it. Fine. Do you need any specific thing? Ji. No. Okay. So I want the introduction on it. Okay, let me see what it comes. I want you to try side by side. Okay.
यहाँ से लीव करें.
तो बोलना रहेगा तो उसमें से
These students are from CBSE. I'm taking it for class 1 CBSE students. It must contain the introduction. It will take few seconds depending on the internet speed. Okay, I'm sorry, it seems we have reached. Okay, so sorry, but you can try it on your storybook. Just try it. See, this
Have
is
you
the
all
Gem.
opened Gemini in your mobile or laptop?
See, I need very fast response. Otherwise, our speed will be slow and there's so much to learn.
Sunil ji is writing, he is also getting the same message.
Okay. Chalo, you can try it later. Fine. But usually it does not show. Gemini usually take each and everything, like I don't know how it has come. So it is under Gems storybook. And you write it, you will get it. Now see, this is my stuff. And if I go to my stuff, I have done so much of things. So active learning strategies, double cone surface areas and the volumes, everything. Now this Gemini, oh, sorry. Now since this Gemini is with the Google, right? So everything, it will take it from the Google and put it here. And Google is so fast. And so many things are there. Yes, we can open it in the cognito mode. I am not opening it because you know the things like while sharing the screen, it may or may not be like I'm able to. So all these things, I don't know something this my son has also used, my daughter has also used. So everything is there. See, you will see all the maths things here only. I hope you are able to see. Right? So you open it, you put it under, you open it with Gems. Gems say this storybook. You write a story and you will get one storybook as you can see after scanning it. Now coming back to my PPT. Okay. Now you can try this also. So what I have done, I've done this create a lesson plan for class 9, right? Just for a trial for the CBSE student. The topic is Bade Bhai Sahab and I want it in Hindi. So if you open your Gemini again, not the storybook general, you write it, create a lesson plan for class 9 students, the topic, whatever you want, right? And I want to make it Hindi. Just tell me in a write a prompt, whatever you want, fine, and tell me whether are you able to get what you want in your respective language. Just in 2 minutes, quick. Sorry, being a very typical, we are the teachers, we want everything to be in a seconds.
Any query you can ask.
Yes, I got it. मिल गया।
Okay, मिल गया, very good.
बड़े भाई साहब का मैंने लेसन प्लान निकाला मैम। मैम बिल्कुल अच्छा सिस्टमैटिक तरीके से लिखा हुआ आ गया।
आ गया ना? मतलब if you want an art integration,
Yes, ma'am.
see, it depends upon like what do you want, what your school needs, what you want as a teacher that my students learn this thing. चलिए आगे चलते हैं. So this storybook comes under GEMS, right? Then this is a flip book. If you have any PDF, you scan it, you open it. Again, I tried for, let me open. I tried it for, क्या कहते हैं उसको, for my maths only. You, if open this, you put any PDF, you will get in Flipbook. Fine. I'll share all the links with you. Fine. And then you will click it and you will get it. Sometimes we want our children in a homework or in a holiday homework, okay, make a flip book based on this. Again, this is AI technology time. So we want our children, you go home, you make a flip book and submit it. So you can click on this site, you just put it in the PDF and you get it. It's coming. See, this I have tried. I hope you are able to see the screen.
Yes, yes.
Right? You can see the flip book. I have tried and I have taken this my, again, maths lesson plan. Fine. See, flip book is ready. We can share it also. If you say, I will share it, copy, and I am putting in the chat. So you can see this flip book ready. Obviously, rest all depends on the internet speed.
Till now, if you have any questions, please ask.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, Pallavi ji, you are
Yes,
audible.
yes.
Miss, what do we do with Flipbook? Suppose I have the content or any project I have. So if I want to submit that, then it will convert that content in the Flipbook. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So do
Because
we have to give a specific prompt for that?
no,
That
no. Nothing prompt. You must have that saved on your system. It
Okay.
will ask for the PDF file or from the Google Docs. It is mentioned there. You copy it, you take it from the system, give 2 minutes, and your flipbook is ready.
Okay. If the design I don't like this much content should come this area means for first 5 pages and this much will go there. Can I customize that?
No.
Okay.
Few things we cannot do.
Okay, miss. So it is available and free tool?
Free. Whatever I'll tell you, it is totally free.
Okay, Miss, one more question I have. I had to design in previous previous one dress like that was annual dress, means how child will look like in that dress. So what happened, I used Gemini and it created only 15, and after that they said that we have to pay, or after one day you can use that. So
See,
this type of things comes no in the Gemini and
so
other thing too.
everything comes under condition, right?
Okay.
And if you use this AI technology, after some time, it will ask to be have a pro. You need
Okay.
to pay,
Okay.
right? For one day, you will have, limited things. And rather, I suggest, if you want, like my suggestion, this is since AI, right?
Mm.
Do not write your name, do not write child's name, do not put even these photos on the
Okay.
Gemini or wherever on the social media.
Huh.
This is very important for the safety and security. And when we are using this AI or the system, na,
Hmm.
security is very, very important.
Yes, ma'am, I got it. My
Huh.
point was that a dress was created and any
Hmm.
doll or anything they can
Hmm.
put.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
they
Hmm.
created the animated image. I didn't give the image of child. I gave the
Hmm.
image
Hmm.
of dress. So
Hmm.
they will get idea how it will look on a child, and how they have to put that matlab, dress are different type of, right?
Hmm.
So they will get that makeup look. That's all.
Hmm. 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 See,
So
then yes, you will put that dress and open the Nano Banana on Gemini.
okay, nano banana for
Nano
image
Banana
created.
for in the Gemini only. If you click on the Gemini, there you will see Nano Banana with the banana icon.
Symbol is there, yes.
Yes. So you put a photo, and obviously you have to give the prompt that what do you
Okay.
want?
Okay,
You
ma'am, one more specific thing, that whenever we put the prompt, na, sometime it keep making the mistake and it takes a lot time, especially ChatGPT and Gemini, and they both. Suppose I am trying to make a story 1 to 10
hmm.
and I'm giving some prompt, but it keep making the mistake. So how specific it should go, because it's time consuming.
This will happen because this AI again is a machine,
Okay,
right? So whatever you put, it's we see na sometimes that it is biased.
okay,
So when we say it is biased, it may or may not give the as accurate data as you want.
okay.
Little bit you need to decide. You are the ultimate person what you want, and if it is not come, we can make the plus minus.
Okay. And
Huh.
one more suggestion I need, that
Hmm.
which tool is good for creating animated story. Suppose I want to make a specific story. So
Hmm.
which tool I should use? Means Gemini, ChatGPT, or any other tool which would suggest, free tool?
That I have not used, but as soon as I'll come to know, I'll definitely inform ma'am, and then she'll share the link.
Okay, miss. Thank you.
Right? Because I have not tried yet.
Okay, miss.
Yeah.
Pallavi ji, we will let you know. Don't worry, we will let you know.
I will try because you see na mine is like background maths. I never come with the animated, but still I want, I tried it something on Gemini. So because this is the background is Google, so it will search from all the Google and it will give you a link. You put the on the Gemini, okay, I want to make a story, animated story. Kindly suggest few free tools, AI tools. So it will give you 5 to 6 tools. You can
Pallavi ji, if
try
you
one by
want to
one.
try, you can try right now also. Just see
Huh.
in your mobile or laptop it's coming or not.
You will get few tools, but it might happen that it will be the paid one,
Okay. Okay.
right? Oops, sorry. I'm again clicked the on the link. Just a second, ma'am. Yeah. Just a second. Yeah. Now it comes the Copilot. Now if you see there, this Copilot is very much on your laptops, and it will work the same, right, as the Gemini as well as the ChatGPT. And this icon nowadays on every of the laptop, if you see small, this icon will be there. And this is again, it helps, for example, this. Now see, this is the huge prompt. See, it is with the SDGs. Fine.
Pallavi ji, you can try on Soda 2. SORA 2. It will create
So,
images and yeah,
yeah, Sora.
yeah, Soda 2. The whole is Soda 2.
See, this now contains, this is the lesson plan. See the prompt. It must have the learning objectives. It must have the previous knowledge required. It must have the teaching aids, materials, 21st centuries, SDG goals, competency-based, art integrated activities, differentiating learning. So when you are writing the prompt, you can add as much as you want. Fine? Because this is one of the, again, same ChatGPT or Cloudy or anything. Now, this notebook LM, this is ultimate. You open it, you will get what you want. So it will give you the documents, audio, video,
Saroj
overview.
ji, Soda 2 is for video generation. It will create the video.
Suroj ma'am, you must have seen on the YouTube once small videos और उसके ऊपर सोरा 2 लिखा होता है. मैम ने बताया तो याद आ गया, उसके ऊपर सोरा 2 लिखा होता है.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the notebook LM. Now I want you to open Google, right? Google पे जाके just write down notebook LM. Once you click, you will see the screen. I am going to notebook LM. Sorry, I just opened the wrong one. See, are you able to see my screen with the main Google one?
Yes, yes, yes.
So I will type here notebook LM. I'm opening it, right? You can see this Google Notebook LM. You click on it. Again, there is no need to pay this. This is also free. Fine. I am telling you again and again because today, whatever we are taking, this AI tools, all these are free. And again, see, this is again with the Gemini. So Notebook LM, Gemini, all this has a collaboration with Google. Fine. So if you want to write, get the app plans, हमें बिल्कुल कहीं पे नहीं जाना है, हम बिल्कुल Google LM खोलेंगे. Okay. I think my notebook is opened. No. Again, I do not know what is happening now because it is not opening. I'm trying again. Acha, try notebook LM. Sorry, I was seeing at the top. Fine. This notebook LM, this is all I have done here. Fine. You can again see lots of maths again. Fine. I'm taking this one, Mercy of Venice Law, because this is my son's chapter. I have done with this. What I have done, I have put it the PDF file on it, right? Then, see, this all I have, whatever I want. See, I am ready with here. I have put it here. See, this is the flow chart. Are you able to see the flow chart?
Yes, yes.
Right? So now this flow chart, see, the chapter, the whole chapter is done this. Now this is the chapter. Now what was the agreement? Again, see, it opened. The thing is, you are not able to download it. Then, what was the Antonian's guarantee? This was the whole chapter. What was the Shylock's condition? Fine. Okay, ji. Then,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
Uh, this thing, the flowchart is developed by the app itself.
yes. We can do audio overview, video overview, mind map, reports, flashcards, quiz, infographics, slides, data table. Sometimes we want the children to listen to the story or to have the gist of the story.
Ma'am,
So, ji,
we just have to upload the PDF.
yes,
Okay, ma'am.
that's it. It will ask add sources. You add the source. यहाँ से आप फास्ट रिसर्च करना चाहते हैं, यू वांट टू टेक इट फ्रॉम द वेब, और ये आप अपनी फाइल्स लेना चाहते हैं, इट इज टोटली अप टू यू। ये देखिए यहाँ पे आ रहा है क्रिएट ऑडियो एंड वीडियो ओवरव्यूज फ्रॉम योर डॉक्यूमेंट्स फ्रॉम यूट्यूब। ये ऊपर चेंज होता जा रहा है, देखिए वेबसाइट्स, इट विल टेक एवरीथिंग। I'll take one thing, I'll take flashcards. Fine. A very small. I'll not go in the detail, but just one overview. So main, who is the character? इसके answer flip कीजिए, you will get the answer. Next question, flip कीजिए, your answer. Again, I mean there are 24 cards. It is not necessary to take all the 24 cards, but in the class when one chapter is going on, right, flashcards will help you have the ready-made questions. So it is just reducing your time. You ask the students to read the chapter. Okay, chapter is done. Fine. So then what next? Then quiz. We want quiz. We want flashcards. Okay. We want mind map. Okay. Infographic. But it will take few seconds to make it. And now you can see ऊपर देखिए Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, Punjabi. I don't know the other language, but all these language you can make it. Fine. Now this is generating infographic. Let us wait for a few seconds. And you can make the questions also on it. For example, what do you want to make one on this thing? On this chapter? I want 10 MCQs based on the chapter.
Excuse me. Excuse me, मैम।
जी जी जी।
हाँ मैम, जैसे कि आपने बताया कि इसे हम इसमें क्वेश्चन पेपर भी बना सकते हैं, लेकिन ये लीक नहीं हो जाएगा? हमारा बच्चा भी तो देख सकता है इसे।
नहीं, आपने अपने अकाउंट से लॉगिन किया ना मैम, बच्चा कैसे देख लेगा? और ये जो
ओके।
एमसीक्यूज बनेंगे, ये एमसीक्यूज सिर्फ चैप्टर के बेसिस पे बनेंगे, और हो सकता है एक या दो कहीं और मिल जाए, बट दिस इज टोटली बेस्ड ऑन द चैप्टर एंड यू आर मेकिंग इट। बच्चे के पास तब शेयर होगा जब आप शेयर करेंगे।
ओके, मुझे लगा जैसे कि हम गूगल पे कुछ सर्च करते हैं, तो जब हम सर्च करते हैं यदि कोई और भी करता तो उसे भी तो वही दिखाई देता होगा।
जरूरी नहीं है मैम। आपको अगर
हम्म
आपको मैं अभी इससे बाद निकलती हूँ, ठीक है? आप
हम्म
I'll give you 5 to 6 words and I will ask you to make a story. Now it
हम्म
all depends on the prompt, how you give a prompt.
ओके ओके।
Fine. अब ये जो 10 स्टोरीज है, देखिए साथ में ये 1 2 3 लिखा है। 1 2 3 विल टेक द चैप्टर के, ये इस यूनिट से, यहां से ये क्वेश्चन उठाया गया है, इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट
ओके।
से। फाइन। तो ये आपके पास 10 questions, fill-ups, MCQs, and if you want the answers also side by side, see, they highlighted the answers में. I hope you are able to see this dark one, highlighted one in bold.
Yes, ma'am.
है
Yeah,
ना? Yes, this now
yes,
infographic is ready.
मैम टेबल मुझे लगा कि जैसा ये मुझे दिख रहा है, शायद कोई बच्चा स्टूडेंट भी कर तो उसे भी
मैम जो
पर्सनल रहेगा, मतलब कि
मैम
बिल्कुल
एक
और
नहीं
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 जाएगा।
मैम, लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग। जो बच्चों का दिमाग होता है, जो हम टीचर्स का दिमाग होता है, वी हैव अ डिफरेंट थिंकिंग। right?
Yes,
But we
ma'am.
think those students are very smart. I know they are, one generation ahead and they are very smart. But I think students should know that we are the smartest.
And it depends on the prompt also, na Kamalpreet ji?
Yes,
What prompt
yes,
we put in?
yes. See, this is the
Okay,
infographic
ma'am.
is ready with us. और
Ruchi ji
आपको
is writing. Can you do it again? Ruchi ji is asking
okay,
from.
okay, okay, okay. Sure, sure. See, what I have done, this story is with me. I have uploaded it, right? Okay, okay, just a second. See, here we have many things here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 things are there, right? यहाँ पर ये जो एक picture आई है, that has come from infographic. Fine. Infographic से आपके पास ये pictorial image आ जाती है एक. ठीक है? आपको 2 सेकंड देने पड़ेंगे एंड देन योर दिस infographic, if you say mind map पे क्लिक कीजिए, mind map will come, flashcards will come. I have tried this. So this is the audio story. Fine. This is the literature quiz. These are the flashcards. You click on it and you will get it. Saroj ma'am? Yes. Ruchi ma'am, I hope it is clear.
Ma'am,
Ji.
can we get the questions pictorial based also?
Yes, that we will can get on Gemini. I have not tried here. I have not tried here.
Okay.
Ha. Because again, my area is math, so I do not need that thing.
Ma'am,
So
actually, for our
हाँ
papers, sometimes
हाँ
as I'm dealing with the grade 3 children, so over there we need to prepare questions pictorial
Please,
based.
pictorial. So what you can do, you find out one picture, right? You click it or from the Google,
Okay.
then you put it on the Gemini and okay, I'll come it. Just a second. Here. Fine. I hope you are able to see the screen of Gemini.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Fine. So what I can do, see, when I say upload files, add from the drive, photos, notebook LM. Now, notebook LM, I need to find out. So I'm opening. Which photograph do you want? A scene, let it be a scene from a garden scene, sorry.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, I mean, I'm taking random only.
Yeah, no problem.
Fine. So which one do you want? चलिए ये ले लेते हैं.
Third, yeah, anyone.
Actually, at this moment, when I share the screen, my cursor goes. I'm taking this one. ये ले रही हूँ मैं, right? I am saving this image on the desktop. Fine.
Okay.
And say garden scene. And this is saved. Now, open the Gemini.
Okay.
Upload the file. This is my desktop. See, your image has come.
This I know, ma'am. I was thinking about like in the notebook element.
Notebook LM, it is little, I'm not aware of it actually.
Okay, that's okay, ma'am.
हाँ, again, I, नहीं, you
The
need to
Gemini
put
one, I have
photograph.
been already doing it, so I was just
हाँ,
making sure with
this one, Google.
yeah.
This notebook.
Yes.
I have not tried it.
I'll just
But
try.
you can do, let me
Try
type then.
if any uploading system is there in this thing, like in notebook element.
Okay, so let me do this thing. एक second, ma'am. This, once you try, if you are able to do, then it's fine.
Sure, ma'am.
Otherwise, we can try it together.
Yes, ma'am. We can
Or
go.
I'll also try and then again I'll let the ma'am know ki what is happening.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. So then next comes the napkin.ai. Napkin.ai is when you have so many points and you want it in the flow chart. Fine. This napkin AI will come there. Get napkin free. This is also free. Sorry, I have this idea, habit to switch on all the things. Okay. So if I take, now tell me any, science or English or Hindi, English. Okay. Types of, I'm taking types of nouns only. Fine. I'm clicking here. So I'm taking this Byju's. It is coming. Right. Okay. So I am taking this types of nouns and I am copying it. Singular, there are 5 types. 7, 8. This is a general one. You can see accordingly ki kitne nouns you want to explain. I copied it. I opened napkin. Okay, I am taking new napkin. Blank. It's creating. I'll paste here. I have not done anything. Fine. Now what? I selected again all. Now, now when I am selecting, can you see a blue color on the left side with the line? Is this visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
You click it. I have copied it, pasted it, selected it. एक blue color का icon आया. I clicked on it. See what you got. You have this simple, what we can say, concept map. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am. Great.
Yes,
Which you
ma'am.
want. Which you want. It is choice is yours.
Okay, nice.
Yes, ma'am. Good.
Fine. Now this is your choice what you want. Again, ultimately, wholly and solely, you will decide what you want. And not this. Agar I click on this one.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी.
how can we download the flowchart?
Just a second. एक second, मैम. मेरा ना वही सेम प्रॉब्लम. माय कर्सर ना गायब हो जाता है ऑल ऑफ अ सडन. मैम इसको आप वो नहीं कर पाएंगे. इसको ये आप ये एक सेकेंड. अच्छा एक और चीज. वी आर जस्ट अ मिनट. एक्चुअली माय थिंग्स.
Like either in the word from form or
नहीं
the
नहीं. You can download it also. You can take the image also.
okay.
The thing is my cursor ना. अच्छा इसमें देखिए. Now this has one has selected. Again you choose one, any one. ये choose कीजिए.
There is a share option हो सकता है. We can share it and then we can download it. Is it
हाँ
possible?
एक्चुअली मैम मेरा कर्सर ना मिस वो गायब
I
हो
do
जाता है
understand. मैं तो I'm just
ये रहा
putting
मिल
my
गया देखिए
idea.
देखिए देखिए आ गया मैम, आ गया देखिए,
Yes, download का
डाउनलोड
ऑप्शन आ गया.
आ
Okay.
गया, माय कर्सर
That
इज
means you have
समटाइम्स बैक.
selected the image and then the options comes.
Yes, if you want to change something here, right?
Yes.
See, all this has come. You want to change the color? Yes, you can change. You can want to change the font. You can change. You can anything you want to write on it. Fine,
Okay.
you can do.
Anything can be done, that means.
Anything can be done. So this is the napkin. This is also free.
We will be
You
sharing the
copy it.
recording in the group also, so you can see there once more. Not a problem.
Great, ma'am. Great.
Sorry. This my WhatsApp has been opened. Just a
Actually,
second
too
again.
many things are opened on your screen, no, ma'am.
Yeah.
हाँ.
That screen have become slow.
हाँ, otherwise, that is why I was closing side by side. चलो कोई नहीं बात. Okay. Again, coming back to PPT. This one. Yeah. So I hope napkin is clear.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you just tell me what is Copilot? Like, we did it, but I just slipped it from my.
Copilot is just like, this Gemini and ChatGPT is the,
Okay.
different companies give the different. ChatGPT gives the another one. The Gemini is from Google and everything. This is Microsoft.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
That's it. Napkin we have done, right? Brisk teaching. Now I want, if you are using your laptop, then I want you to go to Chrome Web Store. Chrome Web Store. And now I'm not going to open because then again my screen will lag. I'll rejoin, right? Not rejoin, I'll share the screen in a second. So go to the Chrome store. Are you able to open the Chrome store?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Now, in the Chrome store, write brisk teaching. Do you get it?
Done, ma'am.
Done. Then there's a small icon will come,
Yeah.
right? Add the extension.
Do we have to click on that?
Yes.
Yeah. Get started free.
Yes.
Yes. Done.
Done. Then a small icon will come at your, screen.
It's asking for the account.
Give your normal account. It is
Yeah,
totally
yeah.
free. Nothing to
Done,
do with.
done.
Everyone is doing same or
Because I'm going to share my screen in a minute.
yeah.
Because I want to be ready before sharing it because I do not want to,
Ma'am is
hang my
asking
screen.
for add extension.
Yes, do yes. Please do.
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
Done?
Yes. What is your role as a teacher?
Normal, simple question, nothing else.
Simple question. Where do you teach?
Ji. Because I'll directly take to you to the screen, where I will do the work. So I hope you are able to see the screen. Right? See, this small b will come
Ma'am.
here. Fine?
Yeah.
Yeah. You click on it. Done?
1 minute.
Ji. These are the very small things that you need to learn side by side. क्योंकि जब तक एक बार हाथ से नहीं निकलेगा वो नहीं होगा.
Like it's asking for share, like send invites and something.
नहीं,
Share this-
ignore. Everything ignore. Skip.
Skip.
Everything skip.
Yeah, what is the first thing? Okay. Anything like make slides from a YouTube video. It's asking me
Anything.
to
Now
try.
you can take out your this thing, any docs, anything, Google
Okay.
Docs, and then you click on this icon B. Okay, let me then tell you, right? So now further you can do it. You click on this click,
Yeah, got it.
create, right? Create. Now what do you want? Now this is not a paid version, this is a basic version. So very small things will come. For example, I click on this presentation.
I've done the same thing.
Okay, right? So
Yeah.
then next. Now this presentation will be in English. Now for which class? This was like sixth class I have.
Yeah, they are showing for sixth. I have put for third and sixth.
This is totally up to you. This
Yeah.
is for third class. Fine.
Yeah.
Grade students, English standard. Describe the topic. I have this lines and angles, so I will put it as lines and angles. Fine.
Okay, we have to give the prompt.
No, nothing, just angle. And
Okay.
then click on next. And then choose. I'm taking maths only. And brisket. Oops. I think
Okay.
again.
Nice.
I hope you get it.
Yeah, I got it.
The thing is, you will get it without images.
Like the templates, we will get it.
Yes.
Is it like Canva?
No,
Okay.
it is not like Canva. Canva, where you have to do little bit editing. Like I have made this PPT in Canva only.
Okay.
Here again, I think my things have gone. Educational plan. So you will get one PPT ready to use.
Got it.
Huh. Now you can do one thing also on the system. What you can do here, you can see this small icon. You can see my screen.
Yes.
You click on it and here you will see brisket. उसको आप पिन कर दीजिए, क्लिक कर दीजिए. ये साइड पे पिन का होगा, उसको आप पिन कर दीजिए.
Okay. Ma'am, you have uploaded like the Google Doc, right?
हाँ, actually this is a ready made. That was
Okay.
ready with me. You can do whatever, like you can copy paste and then you click on brisk and you will get one PPT, or you can have your quiz, like
Okay.
whatever the options are
Many
given.
options are there.
हाँ.
Okay.
Now I'm on the same page. One small thing I want to say, this copy fish. Again, go to the Google Chrome Store. I have very less time, but I have many things I can take the session once again. So this is the copy fish. क्या होता है, हमारे पास ना YouTube होता है ना? और
Ye-
उस YouTube से हमें कई बार वही मटेरियल बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Fine.
Yes.
And we want that only thing from the YouTube.
Yeah, because the example which I took, no, that was from YouTube only.
और YouTube से मैम चीज़ों को कॉपी करना इट्स नॉट इजी.
No, yeah, correct.
है ना? फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक मैम ने जर्मिनेशन का टॉपिक बताया था. Germination
Of seeds.
of seeds. Okay, thank you. My bio is very bad. Sorry. Now, if I take, I will
Nice.
keep my, I will keep my this audio off. Fine. क्योंकि purpose is to use this copy fish.
Okay.
Yeah. No, I do not want subtitles. I want the written material. Okay. For example, I'll take this line only. Fine.
Okay.
I'll click on the copy fish. It says, please select the text. I have selected this text. अब पता नहीं मेरे पास आएगा कि नहीं आएगा. Because again, yes, it has come. ये spelling थोड़े हो सकते हैं different, I do not know. Then you select it, copy it and paste it.
Okay.
And again, this is the, you get it from the Chrome extension. The name is Copyfish.
Copyfish.
Yes.
Like
Because-
basically, ma'am, when we are using this Copyfish, like when you're like copying the text,
Hmm.
what does it show you? Directly show the video, or does it
No,
generate?
only the written material.
Okay.
It will not show the photo. It will tell me the, give me the this subtitles or the passage, the written material.
Okay, for the entire video.
Nee, whatever is on the screen.
Okay.
You need to do it one by. Otherwise, what you will do, you will copy it and you will type it, or you will speak it. So what it will happen now? You will select the text. Text is ready. Copy it, paste it. That's it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
One direct step.
Very nice.
Right now, I am again going to the my PPT. Now, since time is less, so I will just move very fast. Then we can do it later, right? You can see the screen. So this has been done. Now this is the Vega. If you remember, there was one quizzes.com. Now the name has been changed to
Yes.
Vagrant. Fine. Ha. Now the name has been changed to Vagrant. Now this is a small game. Now I want you to go to this, scan this. And you will get one quiz.
Has
you
everyone
ab-
has scanned that this?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Have you get this one? One quiz?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
link.
Sunil ji is asking for the link. Sunil ji, can't you scan this QR code?
Is this online game kind?
Yes. So that means you are able to open it. Sir, what you can do, you can click the picture or you get to go to the camera. कैमरे से भी आप पहुंच जाएंगे सर वहां पर. If anyone has opened, then one number had come. Got it. Thank you, sir. So this is a post, say a session assessment. It's just the name, or you can make one quiz. You type it, you go to the vagrant.com, you put it what you want. One quiz, ready-made quiz will come, and then you can share it with the students either in the classroom or you can take the students to the lab.
Nice.
Right?
Like we have smart boards, so we can we do it?
Yes, because you open it, right? You open
Yes.
it and you can take the quiz also. Okay, now you tell. So every student will be excited.
Okay.
So this will be like a game.
Like online game based on like whatever topic we want.
Whatever.
Okay.
Class or whatever be the class, whatever the topic, the ready-made quiz will come there, and it will also check if anybody has seen the other screen or not. You can
Okay.
switch the screen, but to check the plagiarism, whether they have copied or went to the other screen or not, that also we as a teachers will come to know.
Like we can, after teaching our topic, we can have like
One day, okay, let's
formative
have a quiz.
assessment kind in the class.
Formative assessment, or say portfolio, means it has a different names actually.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
So I want, again, there are so many QR codes, right? So one last thing, kindly again scan it and just tell me how is it. like what is the aha moment of you think what you liked the most, right? How is it?
स्क्रीनशॉट काढून ठेवलं लगेच.
See, if you know, try it na, every day, this one, even you spend 15 minutes per day on this AI tools, you will come to know a lot of things. You need to experiment these things. Yeah, Gemini is the awesome. I am using Gemini. Once I come to know about the Gemini Notebook LM, like these are the always there. You make the flashcards, you show it on the screen. Okay, this is again one of the formative assessment.
Ma'am, this what are we supposed to do?
You
In-
just write, you have, I think, opened the page.
Yeah,
There
my
you will
aha
see the
moments.
plus sign there.
Yes, yes.
Just share your thoughts.
Okay.
Yeah. This is also one of the AI tool. But the thing is here that this will take the 3 if you are doing it free. And again, if you want to do it again, you need to delete 1. And after 3, it will be again paid.
Okay.
Yes.
Like, what is the basic charges for all these?
I have not tried.
Okay. Okay.
Are we done, Kamalpreet ji?
Yes, ma'am.
Any queries? Any questions? You want to ask something?
Miss, could you please again repeat that notebook element purpose? Means why should we use that?
Ma'am, Notebook LM is that AI tool where you can write that type of prompts, question answers that you are not able to get in on the websites, maybe, or you want to do something different, right? MCQs, assertion reasons, fill ups, main questions, or if you want to show the flow chart, fine,
Okay.
सब कुछ आपको मिलेगा वहां पर.
Okay.
What a teacher wants.
And this brisk teaching is for question answer round, right, Miss?
Nahi, brisk teaching is right to make the presentations.
Making so they will take the source from our laptop or we have to
We need
use
to
their.
give. Ma'am, this is a machine. आप जब तक कुछ डालेंगे नहीं,
Okay.
आउटपुट कैसे आएगा? आप जब तक इनिशियली बोल, जब तक आप स्विच ऑन नहीं करेंगे, आपके घर लाइट कैसे आएगी?
Okay, so we have to put the source there.
Yes.
Okay, so typing or should we upload the file from our the laptop or anything?
Yes.
We have to put the file there, right, Miss?
Yes.
Okay,
You
PDF
put
file
the
will
file. No, you put the file also. This Notebook LM can take the sources from the web directly also. But again the thing is, ma'am, sometimes if what we want, germination or from the if maths background, I say okay, surface areas and the volumes. Simple,
Yeah.
right? Up surface area volumes start from class 5 to 10th. Now, which class that we need to see?
Okay.
Ultimate, see, the final we need to check.
Okay.
That is the machine, that is the prompt will give, they will provide the material, but what is right, what is wrong, what things we need to take, what need to reject, that is we need to decide.
Kamalpreet ji, what I am feeling is
What?
ki prompt is also necessary, and the jaise Pallavi ji was asking, yeah, it can take directly from the web also.
Nee,
Okay.
directly from the web only. The material
Yes.
so we have to give from the web. The thing is web is it's a vast term. It will
Yeah,
take everything.
नहीं वो
Now,
तो if we give a prompt like maths for class month for this
हाँ,
chapter, so it will be there. We don't have to
yes.
put any file, upload any
नहीं,
file or
नहीं.
something like that.
But
Yeah.
नोटबुक एलएम में इट विल टेक लॉट्स ऑफ फाइल्स. अब वो हो सकता है पल्लवी मैम वो बहुत हायर क्लासेस का सरफेस एरिया ले जो हमें नहीं चाहिए.
नहीं तो we will mention the class also ना then that prompt.
हाँ, नहीं कई बार ये वो डायरेक्ट सोर्सेज लेते हैं. मैं वी से द वेब सोर्सेज विदाउट एनी प्रॉम्प्ट दे टेक द सोर्सेज.
Okay. Okay.
तो हमें वो एक एक करके डिलीट करने पड़ते हैं कि कौन सा हमें चाहिए कौन सा नहीं चाहिए.
Okay. Pallavi ji, have you understood?
Yes, miss. One more time, this risk teaching, that
Hmm.
tool is used purpose, miss. Could you please repeat again?
Okay. See, you have you taken the extension from the web store?
Yes, I have taken that time. It was
Hmm.
asking, miss, I have given few prompts, but it didn't work.
नहीं,
And
वहां पे मैम प्रॉम्प्ट नहीं चलेगा. यू गो टू द क्रोम स्टोर.
okay.
वहां से आप उस पे डालिए ब्रिक्स टीचिंग. ब्रिक्स टीचिंग इट विल आस्क फॉर द ओके ऐड टू द एक्सटेंशन. वो आप क्लिक करेंगे. इट विल आस्क जनरल क्वेश्चंस. व्हाट इज योर रोल,
Yeah,
राइट?
miss, that teaching and all things we put that.
डन. हाँ, तो आप कोई गूगल डॉक्स से कोई भी चैप्टर अपना उसमें कॉपी कीजिए. उस ब्रिक्स टीचिंग पे क्लिक कीजिए. इट विल आस्क यू व्हाट यू वांट टू बी, व्हाट यू वांट टू मेक, प्रेजेंटेशन और अ क्विज और व्हाट.
Okay, got it. We have to
हाँ.
provide the document from our side,
यस
and it
यस
will
यस
create the question by itself.
यस.
Okay, got it, miss. Thank you.
Yeah. Anybody
Are we
else?
done with all the questions? Anyone wants to ask anything?
किस पे अनीता मैम?
कौन सी
मैम
प्लेटफॉर्म पे
जैसे
बनानी है
किसी भी
पीपीटी आपको?
टॉपिक पे हमको पीपीटी
मैम एक और.
जैसे
मैम ऐसा कि
हाँ,
AI, देयर आर सो मेनी AI tools. One AI tool is Gamma.
Yeah,
If
that is,
right.
I think that is for
Okay.
presentation.
लेकिन मैम everything comes under conditions.
Yeah,
Again, after getting 40 credits, it will again be paid. And then that means we need to use it very wisely.
but
पीपीटी तो we can make it on Canva also.
बट नहीं, गामा पे मैम रेडीमेड आ जाती है. आप यू पुट वन PDF, दैट्स इट. क्लिक ऑन gamma.ai, यू पुट द PDF, जनरेट PPT एंड इट विल कम. बट कैनवा पे हमें थोड़ा सा काम करना पड़ता है.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
लेकिन ये एक PPT से आपके 10
ओके मैम
क्रेडिट्स विल बी
ओके
गॉन.
मैम ये क्रेडिट्स
हाँ जी.
Anita ji, your voice is breaking
मैम ये
down.
क्रेडिट मैम
मैम
क्रेडिट्स आपने जो कहा कि credits चले जाएंगे
पॉइंट्स
तो ये क्या
पॉइंट्स
होता है क्रेडिट
पॉइंट्स
क्या होता
पॉइंट्स
है
पॉइंट्स मैम पॉइंट्स.
आपको जो फ्री पॉइंट्स मिलते हैं वो एक एक पीपीटी बनाने के बाद माइनस होते रहते हैं इन सिंपल
10
लैंग्वेज.
पॉइंट्स कट जाएंगे. जैसे ही 40 पॉइंट्स हो जाएंगे वो बोलेगा अब आपको पैसे देने पड़ेंगे.
आपको 40 पॉइंट्स फ्री मिलते हैं, उसके बाद आपको यू हैव टू पे द फॉर इट.
अकॉर्डिंगली फिर.
यस.
ओके मैम थैंक यू मैम
या
Hello, ma'am.
वेलकम. जी.
To prepare the question paper, Gemini is okay, ma'am, for all type of questions.
It depends on the subject, not definitely not for maths.
Okay. For the mathematics, which one we can
Mathematics,
use?
ma'am, what you can do, whatever the question you have, right? You put the question and just type one prompt, change the tone of this question.
Okay.
You will get in a different language. I have tried. And give the answers also. Or you say in the prompt, okay, I want to make one question, one competency based question on the topic. You provide one picture, right?
Hmm.
And जैसे क्लास 9 10th में what things happen, 1 2 marks के आते हैं, 4 markers होते हैं. Then I write कि okay, I want this competency based questions for the class 9th या grade 9 CBSE students from India, because CBSE आपका UAE दुबई में भी है. And I want it from the scenario of India, right? Then
Yes.
Indian students, it must have 3 options with a small 50 words or 100 word story, and the question should be authentic. And this one 2 marker question must have the choice, internal choice,
Yes. Okay. Okay.
and
Thank you.
provide the answers also.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So, but again, last we need to choose. ये क्वेश्चन ठीक है नहीं है कैसे है. It will
Choice is always
mostly give
yours.
the answers. Yes.
Yes.
Choice
Yes.
is always yours.
Most of the
Yes.
times it gives very good answers and questions also respectively.
Questions also.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
I think we are done with the
And
questions now, Kamalpreet ji.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thanks a lot for such an interactive and activity-based
Thank you.
webinar.
Thank
I
you.
hope everybody will do the practice. And please, any questions, send it to me, in the group. We will answer those questions.
Yes.
Thank you, Kamalpreet ji, for your time and
Thank you
efforts.
so much.
Yeah,
Thank you so
thank
much,
you
ma'am.
everyone
And
for
thank you
joining
all
the
the
webinar.
Thank you,
yeah.
ma'am. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.